Historically, we have been able to get PDF data into Excel by using standard copy-paste method or some third-party tools. Now we have another option. We can use Power Query to retrieve values from PDF files. The earlier method had its own challenges, but with Excel's built-in feature, this task has not only become easier but has also minimized error to great extent. So today, we'll see how we can import data from PDF with an example. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Here I have a report on Ease of Doing Business 2020. This report is of around 150 pages. On page 16, we have actual ranking of all the countries and we need to extract only this table. So let's move to Excel and see how we can do this. We'll go to the data ribbon and click on Get Data. Then select From File and click on From PDF. Now we need to select our PDF file and click Import. The process may take some time depending upon the number of pages and content of the file. Now in this navigator window, we can see on the left hand side, the data from the PDF has been segregated into different tables. We'll go to our page number 16 and we can see the preview of our data on the right hand side. Let us click Transform Data and proceed further. Now we can see our data is loaded in Power Query Editor, but our header is in the second row. To change this, we need to click on the button which says Use First Row as Header, and our header has moved one row up. Let us click this one more time. Now this looks good. Now we'll click on Close and Load button. This will again take some time to convert our data into table, and our table is ready. This was pretty simple, right? Now let us take another example. In the same PDF, we have another table on page number 91, which spills over to page 92. Let us see how we can import this table, which is spread in 2 pages. In Excel, we'll again go to Data ribbon and click on Get Data. Then select From File and click From PDF. We'll select our PDF file and click Import. We'll wait till this gets loaded. Now let us go to our page 91 and we can see the preview of our data, and even for page 92. But we cannot multi-select the table here. So what we'll do here, we'll import all the content. Just select on this folder and click on Transform Data. Now in the Power Query Editor, we have the table of contents of our PDF. We'll just filter the table we want from the name column, table from page 91 and 92, and click OK. Now we don't need the first 3 columns because the data which we need is in the 4th column. So we'll select the first 3 columns and click on Remove Columns. Now we need to expand our tables by clicking the small button on the right side of the data header. Now we'll again click on Use First Row as Headers twice to get the headers of our table, and click on Close and Load. This will again take some time to convert the data into table, and our table is ready. Before I conclude this video, let me tell you one more good thing about this feature. The method with which we imported the data from PDF, it not only got us the data, but it also established the connection with the PDF. So now, if we have an updated PDF next year, then we just need to replace the PDF file and right click on our Excel table and hit refresh. This will load the new data from the PDF. But this will only work if the data structure of the new PDF is identical to the original PDF. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.